Friday afternoon pool gating, and you gotta have cocktails. Getting ready to enjoy some cocktails out of my High Camp extra large shaker. Watch a little bit of the World Cup. Here's how I made my margaritas. And when you're out pool gating, you don't want to have to worry about coming in and out of the pool to get yourself a cocktail. So using the High Camp extra large shaker, I'm gonna mix up a margarita. 12 ounces of Blanco tequila or more. Then I'm gonna put in 6 ounces of lime juice. Notice this is the 4-ounce side of the jigger. I can simply turn it over and I got another 2 ounces right there. Easy peasy. Total is 6. Just gonna shoot in a little touch of blue Agave nectar. Put the lid on, use it one hand, give it a couple of quick shakes, and I'm ready for a great Friday afternoon of pool gating. The beauty of this is with this extra large shaker, I don't even need to get out of my pool. I can make a big enough batch to last me all afternoon. Because after all, it's gotta be 5 o'clock somewhere. Run a little lime around the edge, dip it in some salt, throw the lime in, put some ice in, I'm fully prepared. And the beauty of these tumblers are they're insulated, plus they're not glass. Now look at that, they don't break. See what we got going here. Nothing better than a Friday afternoon margarita. I may stay out here for 3 days. Tailgate on.